Hi, it's Matthew Kathy, and today I'm going to teach you how to graph a quadratic that is in factored form. For example, x plus 2 times x minus 1. First, we will go for the easiest thing to find with factored form, and that is the x-intercepts, and where the parabola crosses the x-axis. This is where y equals 0. So we set each factor to 0 and solve. For example, if one of the factors is x plus 1, we would set that to 0 and solve, so x equals negative 1. And the point would be negative 1 comma 0. That would be the x-intercept, one of them. If you have a factor that is just x, then again you just set it to 0 and the intercept will be 0, 0. Next, we'll find the axis of symmetry, which runs right in between the two x-intercepts. Just add the x's together and divide by 2, and that will be the point on the x-axis through which the vertical line will be drawn, indicating the axis of symmetry that goes right down the middle of the parabola. The x of the vertex will be the same as the axis. Plug it into the original equation to get the y of the vertex. To find more points for our parabola, we can utilize the 1, 3, 5 rule. Start at the vertex, go over 1, and then go up 1. Go over 1 again, go up 3. Go over 1 again, go up 5. And you do that on both sides, so it's symmetrical. It gives you your parabola. Now, if your a is anything other than 1, for example 2, then you multiply it by, a by whatever that number is. So for example, if it's 2, it would be the 2, 6, 10 rule. If it's negative 1, it would be the negative 1, negative 3, negative 5 rule, if that makes sense. So you always start off at the vertex, you go over 1 horizontally, and then you go up, whatever that first number is, then over 1 again, and then up the second number, and over 1 again, and up the third number. So anyway, I have a little example there, so I hope you can see that. And again, you do this on each side, so it's symmetrical. If the y-intercept has not shown up yet on any of your points, and that means it crosses the y-axis, then plug 0 into the equation for x and solve for your y. The point will be at 0, comma, whatever the answer you end up with. State whether the vertex is a maximum with a parabola opening downward or a minimum with a parabola opening upward. And that should do it. Anyway, I hope you have a great day. Bye.